Good evening. This is Professor Coder talking about week number 2 coming up. Be sure to read the chapters 3, 6, and 8. This whole week is about addressing unique student needs. Your assignment, Unit 2, Assignment 2, requests that you first create a list of instructional strategies and modifications for the cultural, diverse, linguistic, diverse, and exceptional needs, and include gifted learners in that in the elementary grade level of your choice, K through 6. Many ideas are found in the textbook, as well as videos and journal articles in resources readings. And the resources are over in the left side of the home page. Remember, these are strategies that you would do above and beyond what you're doing for the average learner in your class. Make sure you give a rationale for your choice of strategies and modifications, things you're going to change in your classroom. Next, using the K6 academic content standards from the history, social science, physical ed, or visual and performing arts frameworks, you design an educational experience for these students. You're not actually lesson planning, you're brainstorming lesson ideas. And then you write a paper and discuss the educational experiences that you're planning to provide to the students. Use the example paper that's in DocSharing as your guideline for completing this assignment. So the first thing you do is, as it says, you create a list of strategies for the culturally diverse, linguistic, and exceptional needs. So just imagine you're making a list. You set out a heading on scratch paper for visually handicapped, or special education, or GATE, and you under each one of these little categories, you start thinking and gathering any kind of strategies that you can find, that how you would do something with those particular population of students. Then, after you've accumulated that list, you go to the next step and you take the information from that list, that just practice list, and that's where you write your paper and you discuss the educational experiences you're planning to provide to students. You put that together with the actual example that you've discovered somewhere in the book or from the resources. So if you look at the timeline, like for week number 2, you'll see that after you do the discussion board and everything, you work on your final draft of your assignment, and this is where you turn in your assignment by Sunday. Your actual assignment is going to look like this. It has the unique student needs as a top, running head, make sure the small letter H. You've got your title in the middle, as usual, page number up in the top right. This information here, moving on to the abstract page, which you have, it's numbered, and here is a page header, but it's in caps, and it does not say running head. And then moving on, you have, this is where you start plugging in your data from your list that you made on the scratch paper, and you put it together with what you can actually come up with for your students. And here's where you start: culturally diverse learners, and these are ideas that you plug in. Then you go on to linguistic and exceptional needs, student with learning disabilities, physical disabilities, low achieving, advanced learners. This is your gifted. And then you wrap it up with a conclusion, and be sure to include a reference page as usual. And remember, these all have page headers. The titles of the pages are bolded, and everything in your paper is in Times Roman size 12. So I hope this is beneficial to you, and good luck. If you have any questions, send me an email or give me a call, or go to virtual office. Thank you very much.